Welcome back everyone to another tutorial where we'll discover how easy engraving can really feel. Today we're working with acrylic, one of my favorite materials because every line lights up like neon when you're done. Before we get started, let's set everything up. Even though acrylic is easy to work with, it still creates fine dust, so make sure you're wearing your safety glasses and a mask and work in a well-ventilated space. You'll need a ball bit or a square bit, and we'll keep the customizer on a low speed the entire time. These two things alone make a huge difference in how smooth and clean your lines turn out. Our first piece, the acrylic lamp from the Resparked kit. I love this one because acrylic makes every engraved line glow once the lamp turns on. It's honestly one of the most rewarding materials to work with. Using the mountain stencil that comes in the kit. Just place it on the plate and trace the lines lightly with a marker. For this project, I'm using a ball bit at a low speed. When you start engraving, keep your strokes short and light. It feels almost like sketching. You start faint and then strengthen the lines gradually. Take your time following the outline. Acrylic gives this beautiful frosted effect as you go, and it gets brighter with every pass. Continue layering the lines until the shape looks clean and bright. You'll notice that wiping the dust often helps you see exactly where you're going. Once you finish, give the plate a final clean and place it on the lamp base. And this is why acrylic is so magical. The moment you switch the light on, every little line lights up. It's simple, but it looks so unique. For our next idea, I'm engraving this little compact mirror and I'm making it a gift for a friend. I'm engraving her name in a simple script. Lettering on acrylic feels super smooth, so the trick is to go slowly and use light pressure. Short, steady strokes always give you cleaner curves. Once the name is done, the mirror turns into a sweet personalized gift. It's small, practical, and the engraving gives it that thoughtful handmade touch that makes it feel extra special. And elegant, of course. I'm engraving a small ornament for the holidays. Acrylic is perfect for this because every line catches the light and gives that wintry look. Using a ball bit on low speed and building the lines with a few slow passes. A quick project like this can turn a plain ornament into something really special for your Christmas tree. There are 3 finished pieces. Acrylic is one of those materials that looks so polished with just a few passes. Once you get the hang of it, you can engrave keychains, makeup organizers, phone stands. Anything with a smooth acrylic surface turns into a really beautiful project. Pretty cool how acrylic comes to life once you start engraving it, right? Comment what surface you'd like us to engrave next and click the subscribe button to keep leveling up your DIY projects. See you in the next one!